Alright, I'm currently on the Allure to Seas right now, on the way back to Port Everglades. And I'm going to do a room tour for you on room 183 on deck 14, which is the Central Park balcony. Now, let's go inside. I'm a gold member with Royal Caribbean. This is my second cruise with them. My first cruise was on the Independence of the Seas. I'm close to hitting platinum with them. So let me show you the bathroom. Here's your bathroom. You get a decent sized shower. These doors are magnetic, which lock to create a seal to keep the water inside the shower. Now here's where your toilet is, and your sink and the mirror. And there's they give you things to put some stuff like toiletries and stuff, like toothbrush, toothpaste, all that fun stuff. Alright, so exiting the bathroom, I have another occupant with me on the ship here. He's out and about. Now, you get a king bed which converts into two twins. You can request it and they will take care of it for you. Now, the beds are right now converted into twins. And over here you get place to put anything you want to put there. And you get a few of those. So now let me show you the closet. Only downside about the Oasis ships is that they don't give you a lot of closet space. Well, you know, sorry about that. You do have a good amount of space here to put stuff, but they don't give you a lot of space here on the side of the bed to maneuver when the beds are separated. I gotta stop slamming the door here. See, and you know, there's room to put more stuff here, but if you have like 3 or 4 people in here, then you're gonna have some problems. Alright, now let me show you this here. Oh, where are the life jackets? You don't get life jackets in here. For your muster station, apparently. You get this here, and then you get a safe, which I don't know if it's being used. I don't think so. And then you get a bunch of stuff for for more. I'm not gonna show you any further down there. A little cooler in here. A decent sized room, and then you have your couch, and you do have 2 lights right here, one over there. All you gotta do is just flip your switch here. What did I turn on? Oh, I turned that on. Okay. Then what switch turned this on? Okay, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Sorry about that, guys. And you get this couch here. Converts into a sofa bed if you have a third person in your party with you on the Allure. Now you get a decent sized desk. It's great. I have my computer on it. And you get a nice television. Much bigger than the one I had on the Carnival Glory. And here you only get 3 outlets. I brought a power strip with me. You can bring a power strip on the ship, but it cannot be a surge protector, because if you bring a surge protector on the ship, they will confiscate that surge protector. They are not allowed on the ships. They will. A friend of mine had that confiscated. To one of my clients. I'm gonna show you outside now. Curtains here. You gotta be careful with the door because the door will slam if you're not careful with it. I think I tightened it. Now, Excuse me. All right, here's the balcony. You get a great sized balcony. You get your 2 chairs and a table. Much bigger than Carnival Gloria's balcony. And see, you get a good look at Central Park. You get a great look at Central Park. I'm all the way. Okay, so I'm all the way over here, right near the right near the beginning of Central Park, and then you can actually you can actually look inside the Royal Promenade and see inside Boleros. That's what they call it. I mean, like, you know, the deal I got on this ship was a great deal. Now, if you want to book a cruise on this ship, contact me. My email is ready2cruise, the number 2, 77@gmail.com. I'm gonna put that link in the description, as well as my business number and my travel site. Sorry, the camera's moving a lot. It's a little rocky right now because the seats are choppy at the moment. So, all right. So as I was saying with that, I'm gonna put my my travel info in the description, so you can see deals on cruises. But if you want to come on if you want a balcony like this, I can just shoot me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you out with that. The deal I got on here was a great deal. I mean, the deal was great for what I got. All right, so let's go inside now and shut the door. Okay, this time I didn't slam it this time, which is good. And for parents with children, you can actually lock the door here, so they can't open up the door themselves, which that's great if you have a child. And before I end the tour, let me show you here. You got a thing to put some stuff here. Whatever you want to put, you get how many shelves you get? 1, 2, 3. You get 4 shelves, and you get a little bit more storage in here for 2 more. You can put 2 more things in there. And here, open up here. On the Oasis class, you still get your mini fridge to put stuff in. And the door to the fridge is actually bolted onto the cabinet. And here you get 3 drawers here for clothing. That has my clothes in there, so I'm not gonna open up those drawers because I'm sure y'all don't want to see that. And now I'm gonna show you guys this before I forget. Here's the switch here. It turns on this light. So when you're doing your makeup, if you have formal night, or if you have a reservation anywhere on the ship, it'll make it easier to do your makeup and get ready to go out around the ship. Alright, so that concludes this room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I'm going to put my travel information in the site for if you need to book a cruise, hotel, car rental, or airfare. I can help you out with that. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it.